Hey guys, it's Freki here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. Let's try that again. Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. There we go. So it is Sunday. It is week 33 of my weight loss journey. And if you guys remember last week, my goal was to lose only 0.2 pounds, 2 ounces, and I would break the 50-pound mark. So, did I do it? Did I do well? Let's find out. So, first of all, you like the new intro? I got bored this morning. My roommate is not feeling too well, and so he did not go to the gym like he normally does on Sunday when I record my videos. So I had to wait for him to get up and go over to his boyfriend's house. And so I got bored and made some new intros. I made that one and I made another one. I'm going to try them both out, see what I feel. That one was kind of cool because it's kind of like a Aquaman superhero feel to it. And decided to throw in some pictures of myself because why not? One thing that's great about making thumbnails is I take a lot of selfies and I crop them out so I can put them on there. So it was kind of cool. It was kind of fun. I was bored. I wanted something new. So yeah. So anyway, this week, it's week 33. Like, I can't believe I've been going at it for this long and I'm sticking to it. So first of all, I do want to say thank you because it is because of all of you guys watching and supporting me that is keeping me focused and keeping me on track to doing this weight loss journey, to getting my life in a healthier place. So thank you, thank you. Now, as far as the rest of this actual week went, I believe I said it in the video. If not, I said it in one of the comments somewhere that I tend to self-sabotage, especially when I am really close to a goal. So I had to lose 2 ounces. That's all I needed to lose this week. And mentally, it does a mind trick on you. I couldn't think of the word I wanted to say. Because, yeah, I tend to self-sabotage because I'm like, I'm this close. It's all I got to do. It's super easy. So that's when my inner demon comes out and it starts messing with me. Food-wise, I behaved. I will say I did behave. But it was very, very hard. I had to get very creative with entertaining myself, with doing things to not think about food, just because I think the simple fact that I am so close to losing weight that it makes me hungry. And I don't know why. It doesn't matter because I say all the time, this is not a race. This is a journey. You take the ups, you take the downs. I started to sing the Facts of Life song in my head. Sorry. But you take the good and you take the bad, and there you have the Facts of Life. I had to say it out loud. Sorry. But anyway, it's not a race. It doesn't matter how long it takes me to get there. I'm just going to get there. But for some reason, when I'm that close, I remember my first mini goal. It had happened. I was like, I'm so close. And then that week, I either didn't lose or I gained or something. Either way, I was like, I just have like a pound to go. What the heck? And I think it took me like 3 weeks to lose that pound or something. It was very obnoxious because mentally it gets in my head and I don't know why. It's so weird because it doesn't matter. I preach that all the time. When people complain that they've only lost half a pound, I yell at them. I tell them like, dude, you lost half a pound. That's great. It doesn't matter if it's not 2 pounds or 3 pounds or 5 pounds or a full pound, whatever. Doesn't matter. But for some reason, when it's close to a goal, which 50 pounds, like it's not one of my mini goals. 60 pounds is my next mini goal. But 50 pounds is just fun to say. It's saying that you lost 50 pounds. So it was in my head that I wanted to do that really, really bad. And for some reason, as bad as I want that, mentally on the other side, I want to sabotage myself. I want to overeat. I want to have the late night snacks. I want to order stuff that I should not be eating and do these things. And especially this week, I had 3 days off because Sunday's my normal day off, but that's my normal cheat day, so no big deal there. Tuesday, that's when I tend to have issues because I'm off all day from work. And for some reason, it's really hard to motivate me. Like, work really, really helps me. One, I love my job. But two, it helps me it keeps me busy, so I'm not focused on food. I did Was that the day that I recorded a video and cooked? I think so. Yes, I made the, with the turkey kielbasa. It was really, really good. I have that a lot. But that time, I tweaked it a little bit compared to how I have done, and I'm loving it. So I kind of made that another day this week as well. But luckily, that kept me busy, and I ended up behaving. I had that, and then since that is so low in points, I was able to eat that whole thing and still have other stuff. And then Friday could have gone really, really bad. Friday, we actually, in St. Louis, we were supposed to get an ice storm. It was predicted that it was going to be kind of bad, and so all the schools were closed, and they closed my salon, which I was jokingly complaining because I need money. I want money. And the storm wasn't supposed to actually hit until like 12 or 1, so I could have opened. But at the same time, I am very grateful that I work for a company that cares. And like, look guys, the roads are going to be dangerous. How about you don't risk your lives to cut some hair? I think that's kind of smart, and I think that's very amazing. So, didn't work, so it's a bonus day off of work. 1, without pay, but 2, that means it's a day where I have to keep busy and not try to eat all day. There's a dog hair on my shirt. It's not coming off. Okay. So, but luckily, if you're in my Facebook group, you saw that I made soup. Well, I didn't actually take a picture of the soup. I took a picture of all the vegetables I cut up because it looked like a full-on rainbow minus blue and purple. And it came out amazing. I don't make soup much, like rarely. And it wasn't hard. I don't know why I never make it because it's super easy. Like literally cut everything up, saute them in the pot for a little bit, add in the beef broth. Well, I use beef broth. It was fat-free and 0 points on Weight Watchers, which was really cool. So it was like 32 ounces of that in there. Probably a lot of sodium. I didn't look at the sodium. But, yeah, and then a bunch of seasonings. And I didn't even measure. I was just like, and it came out so good. And it kept me busy. It kept me busy, and it lasted all day, which was great. So that lucked out. And then yesterday, I went out last night. And I always get nervous when I go out, guys. Like, I even pre-tracked my drinks. That morning, I'm like, okay, I'm going out. I'm going to be selling shots for charity. So I'm going to be at a bar. I'm going to have a couple drinks or a few. So I pre-tracked them and actually tracked them that morning before I ate anything else. And then I planned my day around that. Granted, I only saved like 9 points, which is like 3 drinks. My drinks. I drink rum and diet. But granted, I also had a couple of shots. But yes, I did that, and it was fine. It worked out great. So before I get to the numbers, sorry, I know it's been like 8 minutes already. Just real quick, also, gonna power through it. I did not walk. I walked, I think, Sunday and Monday. And that's it. I've been trying to do my 2 miles 5 days a week. Tuesday, back pain. Mental excuse, didn't go. Wednesday, woke up with a really bad headache, so I didn't go. Thursday, the momentum of not going kicked in, so I didn't go. Friday, the storm. Saturday, yesterday, I just didn't really have enough time. I had errands to do after work, and then I was going to do that. So, slacked off. And I will think, like, when I start, I'm going to go today, hopefully. And I might start with less than 2 miles just to kind of get me back into it. It's amazing how quickly you can get out of it, and then all of a sudden 2 miles is really, really hard. So I'm at least giving myself the mental, hey, okay, get back on it. Maybe don't jump back up to the 2 miles, but go ahead and do a mile at least. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, that is how everything went this week. So with all of that going on, did I hit the 50-pound mark? I did. I'm very, 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 very happy. I am now 325.4 pounds. And since I started at 376.8, that means I lost 51.4 pounds, guys. Wow. 51.4 pounds. I am happy. I was a little nervous because it was a hard week. I just gave all those reasons, so I don't have to say it. But I did lose 1.6 pounds this week, and that makes me very, very happy. My phone thinks I'm trying to talk to it. So yeah, that was exciting when I stepped on the scale this morning, and yeah. So, mini goals. I was supposed to switch when I did that. Mini goals. There we go. All right, so first of all, this one. 316.8 pounds will be when I get to 60 pounds lost. Since I lost another 1.6 pounds this week, I only have 8.6 pounds to go. Very excited about that. I am going to pick one of my... I miss my other camera angle, guys. I could point up to my board. But my board is up there, and I have a bunch of little mini rewards on there that I'm going to choose from, and I will get that when I lose 8.6 more pounds. My other goal over here is Dragon Con. For those of you that do not know, even though I say it every Sunday, I am going to Dragon Con this year, which is the largest fan-run Comic-Con. Nerd convention. All these celebrities on the wall over here that I've met, those are at Comic-Cons. A lot of authors, artists, actors, voice actors, amazing people. It's huge. But I'm going, and it's a lot. So it's a lot of walking. If you've ever gone to a Comic-Con before, I don't know how many of you guys are nerdy, but Comic-Cons, you are on the go practically 24/7, at least from first thing in the morning until like midnight, if you're doing them right anyway. And so this one is a 5-day one, and it's 5 hotels. It's huge. So I need to get in shape for that. So I set a goal for losing about 2 pounds a week. And so with it being 263 is my goal, that means I have 62.4 pounds to go, which I'm okay. I think I'm on track for. Might be a little bit tricky because I was doing the math, and it's been 33 weeks to lose 51 pounds. So that's like 7-ish months. 8-ish months. And it's 7-ish months until Dragon Con, because it's Labor Day weekend, September 3rd. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But either way, it is just a big picture item to keep me focused towards losing weight so that I can get there and make it easier while I'm there. Because if I was still 376 pounds going to this, it'd be very exhausting. It'd be very hard to do, and I would not be able to enjoy as much of it as I will be able to when I'm in better shape. So that's the reason for that. That's if I can wait till then for a vacation. Because, guys, little side note before I get off here, Robbie is tired. I need a break from reality. So I will probably soon plan some kind of weekend thing for me to just kind of take off and chill out. Whether it's going somewhere, whether it's a staycation, I don't know. I need a little bit of something extra because normally I go to like 2 or 3 or sometimes 4 conventions, whether they be local or out of town, a year. And since I'm doing Dragon Con, I can't afford to do those because cons are not cheap. So I am saving everything I can for Dragon Con, and that means all of those other conventions are gone, and that means just real world life until September. I don't know if I can make it. So probably going to be taking a vacation semi-soon. Don't know what, don't know when, don't know where, don't know how because I'm broke, but I plan on it happening. Anyway, enough of all of that. I am going to get off of here. I am very, very happy, very, very excited that I am now 51.4 pounds lighter. So if you guys have done your weigh-ins, let me know how you're going, how much you've lost, what progress you're on, if you're maintaining, all of this stuff. If you're struggling, let me know. If you need advice, let me know, and I will try to help you or find someone that can. I love supporting you guys that way, especially, as I said, like, if it wasn't for you guys, I would not still be on this journey. So thank you, and I want to show my appreciation somehow, and I don't know how, so let me know. And so comment on this video and let me know. And like this video, please, and subscribe, and hit that little bell so you know when I post videos, because I do know there is collabs coming up. There is a football party collab. Super Bowl, that's that thing. Super Bowl party collab coming up next week. So if you hit the bell, you'll be able to see when I post that video. And until, Tuesday, when I do my next video, I'll talk to you guys later.